As a seasoned IT professional, I wanted to share with you a nifty little feature in Microsoft Sentinel that often gets overlooked but can be a real game changer in threat hunting and security analysis, watchlists. So, buckle up, because we are about to dive into how we can leverage watchlists to enhance our Microsoft Sentinel capabilities, making it a stronger ally in our continuous battle against cybersecurity threats. Firstly, when we talk about watchlists in Microsoft Sentinel, we are generally referring to the capability to import and correlate external data sources that are outside the CM system's pre-integrated feeds. It's like having a translator who understands different languages and can help us understand the patterns and behaviors of potential threats that operate across various environments and platforms. Let me walk you through the process of setting up a watchlist in Microsoft Sentinel, so we can uncover insights and improve our defense strategies like never before. Step 1. Set up the Microsoft Sentinel environment. Most of the time, if you've got an existing Sentinel instance, you are good to go. But if you need to get started over, remember to first create a workspace, then navigate to the Integrations and Gateways sections to set up a data gateway for securely connecting to external data feeds. This gateway acts as a bridge between Sentinel and data sources, protecting sensitive information while ensuring you always have access to the latest intelligence. Step 2. Define the watchlist metadata. Once your data gateway is ready, we navigate to the Integrations section, where we create a watchlist. Begin by creating a new list, then fill out the required metadata like watchlist name and description. In the description, let's specify the purpose, ensuring to keep it as detailed as possible so you always know what your watchlist aims to achieve. Step 3. Integrate your data source. Here, you've got to tap into various data sources. They could be a web of logs from multiple CM solutions or any external data you access regularly. The trickier part is ensuring data compliance across data sources, and this can be done by setting up filters that match your organization's data protection policies. Remember, you are not copying and pasting here. Understanding how the data correlates with your organization's assets is crucial. Once the data source is integrated, we've essentially invited the intel to our party. Step 4. Write and test the correlation logic. This is like scripting our watchlist, defining rules that tell Microsoft Sentinel, hey, these data points are related. Let's give them a watchlist name and add them together. We craft this logic with a keen eye on precision, as overlooking one crucial piece of information could hide a legitimate threat, or worse, cause false positives. Once written, we test by adding dummy information to confirm our watchlist works as expected. Step 5. Link the watchlist to Sentinel. With our watchlist now ready with a solid correlation function, we head back to our precious watchlist and link it to Sentinel. Here's where we instruct Sentinel, hey, I want you to keep an eye on this data. When something new pops up from these sources, get it recognized by my watchlist and let me know. Step 6. Tweak, refine, and iterate. Once our watchlist is live, we don't just sit back and relax. It's time to revisit our watchlist, refine its sensitivity, and adjust its correlation rules. Threat landscapes evolve, and so should our watchlist. Regularly scour the latest threat intelligence reports and fine-tune our rules to ensure they remain efficient and accurate. In conclusion, remember that watchlists in Microsoft Sentinel is not just about the tech, it's about leveraging external data to stay one step ahead of threats. By utilizing this feature, we can build contextual intelligence that helps demystify emerging threats, provide just-in-time alerts, and ultimately, better protect our digital frontiers. I encourage you all to take some time, possibly over coffee, to go through this process with your teams, fine-tune your watch lists, and let's make Microsoft Sentinel our second language in threat intelligence. And remember, if you want to explore the art of watchlisting further, dive into the amazing resources available on Neeraj.io, including deep dives into Microsoft Sentinel's capabilities and strategies to stay ahead of the cybersecurity curve. Do subscribe for real-time guidance and to connect with fellow tech-savvy beings in the cybersecurity domain.